Hello folks, how are you? Just chilling? Chill. Looking at the waves, looking at the Mediterranean Sea, sailing to Italy via Cunard cruise ship. This is their fancy library. Okay, what can you say about Alghero, Sardinia, Italy? Your exploration day.
Nice, but we have to be quiet because we're in a library.
There's no one here, just us on top.
It's very nice. Lovely medieval city. Very
Louder.
worth visiting. Cobblestone streets. Not beautifully, but they're beautiful.
Can hardly hear you.
Because I'm in a library. Anyways, it's very nice.
He is shy, by the way.
He isn't shy. He's in the library.
This is so fancy library. It's just like homey feeling here. You see? Mag-read ka ng book dito, tapos yan ang view, ocean view. And you have a spiral staircase na it's beautifully designed. And ito pa dito. Diyan. Dito ka nakaupo, tapos magmuni-muni ka. Tingnan mo yung mga design nila. It's very nice. Tapos kung lalabas ka dyan, gusto ka makinig ng music, yan. Dito, Cunard is very luxurious cruise ship. Very relaxing. Dito ka talaga makarelax. Kasi hindi siya crowded. And the food is fantastic. You can dine every day at the fine dining restaurant. Or kung gusto naman, ayaw mo mag-dress up, doon ka sa sa buffet style restaurant at Deck 9. They call it Lido restaurant. And you have a sort of, lovely foods up there too. Ganda, ha? Kung gusto mo magbasa lang ng magbasa, dito yung mo, spot. Kasi ang daming books to choose from. Ang ganda ng view. There's my family just chilling here. Enjoying the Mediterranean Sea.